After feeding the items, let me show you the keypad where I have written the item name, onion, tomato, capsicum. Like this you can write it on a piece of paper and you can just slide it inside this in such a way that it's easy for you. Okay, I didn't write it properly, but you can write it neat and clean. So once you do it, let's switch on the machine. Okay, now let's keep a tray. The weight of the tray is 505 grams, so almost half a kg. I use tare button here so that the display becomes 0. Let's see how to add a product. For the convenience, I'm using a simple basket. Just add all the onions. I've added some onions. There are 72 hotkeys here. I've added onion. The first method is to choose the onion. The display will show the way. First is the item name, onion, per kg rate, and for the amount added it is 41 rupees. So next I press this button, plus A button, so that the display will come like this. The weight of the onion is added. Similarly, now I will add, next I should press the tare button so that the display becomes 0 again. Now I add the next item, for example capsicum. I have added capsicum and I choose capsicum. So the weight of the capsicum is displayed here and the price is here. Per kg rate is displayed here. Once again I should press plus A and tare button to make it 0. Similarly, I add next is potato. I have added potato. It's approximately 245 grams. I need to choose potato here. I have chosen potato and I press plus A button, then tare button. So I am ready to go in for the next item. There are two items stored in the same hotkey. Now let's see how to use the second item from the hotkey. Now there are two numbers like this, 3672. To use the base PLU, you have to use the shift button here. For example, now there are two items stored in this. One is onion, the other one is chili. So to use the chili for the same button, you need to press shift. For example, I press shift and chili. So chili green has come. So I can add the chili green. Okay, then press A plus. So 4 items have been added in this. Now let's see how to add a non-weighed item like a packet. This is a popcorn packet. I need to add the popcorn packet, but I unfortunately forgot the item code of popcorn. This machine has an alphabetical search option. Just simply press PLU button. The display shows ABBR. Now type in these alphabets. For example, in this case it is popcorn, POP. Choose it by pressing OK key. So the popcorn packet is come. But I've got 2 popcorn packets. Press quantity and then press 2. Note, do not press 2 and quantity. You have to press quantity and 2. Then simply press add. So the popcorn has also been added. The total is 141.65. Now to make a receipt, simply press OK. Or if the customer pays by cash, you can calculate the balance to be given by pressing the change option. For example, in this case the customer pays 150 rupees. Just key in press in change, then type in 150 and press OK for a receipt. Let's see what all you've got. Onion, capsicum, potato, chili, popcorn, 2 into 40, 80 rupees. So cash is 150 rupees, change is 8.35 rupees. Now after emptying the whole tray, the weight will be showing in negative. You just need to press tar button so that all the items become 0. And if you press void or clear button, everything, the display returns back to 0. There are 72 hotkeys. So beyond 72, for example 73 or 74 is the item code, and you need to choose them. You need to press directly here. Press 73, then press PLU button. So this gives you an alphabet which is stored in the 73rd position. You need to add on the item, for example, and press A plus. So now the 73rd item will be added to the list. Now let's see how to hold the customer using these 4 keys. The first customer comes and he gets some tomatoes. As usual, you choose tomato, store him in 1 and press tab key. And he also takes some onions. Choose onion. Store him in first customer, then press tab. Now suddenly the customer leaves and there are people waiting in the queue. So what we do is keep aside what he has taken so that when he comes back we can start continuing his billing. Make the scale 0. Now the second customer takes some capsicum. I choose capsicum, but what I do is I don't store him in A. I am going to store him in B. I press B. So it is showing customer 2, first item, and I am just pressing tab. And he also takes some onions. I choose onion and store him in B and press tab. I can take the bill of second customer alone, so I should press B. He gives me 20 rupees. So I press change. I press 20. Then it shows 1.6. So I make a receipt of this second customer and I clear him off. Now the first customer returns back with some potatoes. So what we do is just place some potatoes, choose potato and add in the same customer list. So now you can see the third item has come. You need to just press print OK, or if he gives some money, you just type 50 and change 50 and press OK. This machine has a unique feature of deleting an item already added. For example, I've added like 5 to 6 items. Before making a bill, I can cancel. Customer says I don't want the tomato. So what you can do is simply go into this whichever location you have stored. For example, A plus, it will show you all the items added. Now press the down arrow key. You can see onion number 1, 14.25, tomato, and it will, if you keep scrolling down, it will show you all the items added. So you scroll down to tomato and press void button. So the tomato will be removed from the list. This can be done before making a printout. Now you can go in for a printout. The tomato item will not be printed.